Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. How do I connect with infinite possibilities? Honor the land you are living on, understanding that there are sacred places everywhere, and by connecting with those sacred places, you can actually unlock the memory within yourself. Also, knowing another way how you can connect with infinite possibilities is by releasing everything that is not part of you so that your soul's voice can come through. And then another way how you can connect with infinite possibilities is forgive yourself so that you can move on. Thank you, guys.